Shenyang Libida Steel Structure Engineering Co. Ltd sincerely invites you to the Canton Fair from April 23 to 27, specializing in steel structure workshops, warehouses, and space truss projects. We provide one-stop services covering design, production, and installation, with reliable quality and precise manufacturing. We have deep expertise in the steel structure industry, equipped with a full set of advanced mechanized production equipment. We have built an efficient, precise, and high-quality intelligent manufacturing system that demonstrates our leading position in the industry. Our factory is furnished with core facilities, including CNC plasma cutting machines, H-beam assembling machines, and gantry submerged arc welding machines, realizing a fully mechanized operation throughout steel structure processing and grit, like improving production efficiency and product accuracy. With automated equipment such as CNC 3D drilling machines and shot blasting machines, we have standardized component drilling, rust removal, and painting processes, effectively eliminating manual errors and controlling dimensional deviations within the millimeter level. In addition, the integration of beam technology and mechanized construction achieves seamless connection of design, processing, and installation, optimizing construction procedures, and shortening project duration, from material cutting and component assembly to finished welding and anti-corrosion treatment. Our fully mechanized workflow not only reduces labor costs but also enhances product quality. It can efficiently meet the demands of various steel structure projects, including workshops, warehouses, and space trusses. Libida empowers intelligent manufacturing through mechanization and builds quality with professionalism. We sincerely welcome global customers to the Canton Fair to witness our strengths in steel structure intelligent manufacturing and explore a new future of cooperation together.